Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. How are you all? I am Muskan and you are watching Creative by Muskan. Before starting the video, I want to let you know that I am a graphic designer and I upload graphic designing related content on my channel. But in my last few videos, I had used AI, and many of you had requested that I also teach you how to make AI animated videos. This is why I have worked hard to prepare this detailed video for all of you. If you want to learn AI animation and content creation, please subscribe to the channel so that my every new video can reach you first. Now, before starting the video, I will show you some AI animated videos. Let's watch. Muhammad, my son, this is your prayer chart. It has boxes for all 5 daily prayers. Whenever you perform a prayer, put a tick mark at the end of the week. I will also give you a reward. Muhammad, my son, by being punctual with your prayers, you can also learn the habit of being punctual in all areas of life. This lead to success in this world. My children, wudu is not just about cleanliness. It is also a spiritual preparation for meeting Allah. Now let's see which one of you can perform wudu correctly according to the sunnah.
May I take Aisha's ice cream?
My son, first ask Aisha for permission. We should never take someone else's belongings without their consent. So friends, I have made all these videos with the help of one AI tool, whose name is Flow AI. The most special thing is that you can use this tool absolutely for free. The question is, how can we also make such videos? Don't worry, today we will do everything step by step together. So let's start. First, we need to generate characters for our story or video. For example, I have already generated some characters for my video. I will now tell you how I created these characters. For our Islamic story, we need 2 characters. The first character is a mother, wearing a simple abaya and hijab. The second character will be a young character for our story. Now, let's begin by creating the mother character.
First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Pinterest and tap the Install button. Within a few moments, the Pinterest app will be installed on your phone. Once the installation is complete, open Pinterest and sign in using any of your Google accounts. After logging in, tap on the search bar and type Beautiful Simple Abaya. As soon as you search, you will see a wide variety of beautiful abaya designs on your screen. Now choose any abaya design that matches your preference. For this tutorial, I like this particular design, so I am going to use it. Feel free to explore more options and select the one that you like the most. To save the image, tap the 3 dots on the image and then select Download Image. The image will be saved to your phone's gallery. We will use this image as a reference to create our AI character. In the next step, I will show you exactly how to turn this simple image into a professional and realistic AI character. So let's move on to the next step. Now, let's open Google and search for Flow AI. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. Now sign in using any of your Google accounts. In a few seconds, you will see the main Flow AI interface. Tap on New Project and a new workspace will open. Now click on the plus icon and select Upload Media. Your phone's gallery will open automatically. Here, choose the abaya image that you downloaded earlier from Pinterest. After a few moments, the image will be uploaded successfully. Next, select 4 generations from the options below, because we want Flow AI to generate 4 images at the same time. You can also choose any image or video ratio according to your needs. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the 16:9 ratio, which is perfect for YouTube videos. Now press the uploaded abaya image and tap Add to Prompt twice. Remember, you need to tap it 2 times. This will add the image as a reference image inside the prompt box. Next, write your prompt. You can write it in English, Urdu, or any language you prefer. For this example, I'm writing, a beautiful Pakistani woman wearing this abaya. She has smooth and beautiful skin, light makeup, and is shown from a close-up angle. She is looking directly at the camera and appears to be around 27 years old. You can see the rest of my prompt on the screen. Once your prompt is ready, click the Generate Arrow button. The image generation process will begin. It may take a little time, so be patient. As you can see, Flow AI has generated 4 images for me. But to be honest, I wasn't completely satisfied with these results. If you want to improve the images, simply press and hold any generated image. Several options will appear. Click on Reuse Prompt. This will bring back all the previous settings and prompt. Now I can improve my prompt by adding more details. For example, I can write, "The woman is wearing a proper hijab and no hair is visible." You can also add any details you like to make your character look more beautiful, realistic, or professional. After updating the prompt, click the Generate arrow again. Flow AI will create a new set of images based on the updated instructions. This time, I really like the results. To download an image, simply tap on it and select Download Image. As you can see, the image has now been saved directly to the gallery. Now, what if you want the same woman to wear a different abaya? It's very simple. Press the generated image of the woman and select Add to Prompt. Then click Upload Media and upload the new abaya image that you want her to wear. After uploading it, tap Add to Prompt for that abaya image as well. Now both the character image and the new abaya image are being used as references. Generate again, and Flow AI will create new images of the same woman wearing the new abaya style.
Now our mother character has been successfully generated. In the same way, we can also generate the little boy character. For this, we will simply enter the prompt here, and the character will be created automatically. One important thing to remember: do not directly download an image from Pinterest and upload it to YouTube. Doing so may lead to copyright issues. I used Pinterest only for inspiration and to get the abaya design idea. Then, with the help of AI, I generated a completely new and unique character based on that design, which is much safer to use. Now that our main characters are ready, the next step is to generate images according to the scenes in our story. We will create each image based on the story requirements so that every scene matches the narrative perfectly and helps make the final video more engaging and professional.
First, click on the plus icon and select Upload Media. Then, choose the same character images from your gallery that we generated earlier. Within a few moments, the characters will be uploaded here. Now, add both characters using the Add to Prompt option. Then write a prompt describing the scene. In this example, the mother is showing a chart to her son, and the chart contains empty boxes. You can see the complete prompt here for reference. Once the prompt is ready, click on the arrow button. The image generation process will start, and after a few moments, your first scene images will be ready. For the next scene, I will again add the same characters to the prompt. This is very important because it helps keep the characters consistent throughout the story. Now I will enter another prompt where the mother is talking to her son. After clicking the arrow button, a new set of images will be generated. As you can see, the results look great and match our story perfectly. For the third image, I will use a prompt where the mother is working in the kitchen. Once again, click the arrow button and wait for the generation process to finish. Now, the kitchen scene images are ready. Finally, for the last image, we need 3 characters. Along with the mother and little boy, we will add a little girl character as well. Add the little girl to the prompt, write the scene description, and click the arrow button. And there you have it. The final images have been generated successfully.
Now, we will convert these images into videos.
First, click on the plus icon, then tap Upload Media and select the image from your gallery that you want to turn into a video. After importing the image, click Add to Prompt and paste the prompt provided for this scene. Once you've entered the prompt, click the arrow/generate button. The video generation process will start. As you can see, the first video has been generated successfully.
Muhammad, my son, this is your prayer chart. It has boxes for all 5 daily prayers. Whenever you perform a prayer, put a tick mark At the end of the week, I will also give you a reward.
Now, let's move to the second image. Import the second image, paste the corresponding prompt, and click the Generate button. In a few moments, your second video will be ready.
Muhammad, my son, by being punctual with your prayers, you can also learn the habit of being punctual in all areas of life. This lead to success in this world.
Next, import the third image and enter the third prompt. Click Generate and the AI will create the third video for you.
My children, wudu is not just about cleanliness. It is also a spiritual preparation for meeting Allah. Now let's see which one of you can perform wudu correctly according to the Sunnah.
For the fourth image, simply use the fourth prompt and generate the video. As you can see, the fourth video is also ready.
May I take Aisha's ice cream?
My son, first ask Aisha for permission. We should never take someone else's belongings without their consent. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you've learned how to generate images and convert them into amazing videos using Flow AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to share your feedback in the comment section and let me know what type of tutorial you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz!